Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add fill color or background color to a checkbox using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is fillable from an checkbox and I'll add this checkbox fill color. Now select from option and select field option selected. Now drag your mouse cursor, select your checkbox and select right button and properties dialog box. Properties dialog box, this appearance option select and this fill color option. You can add this fill color, custom fill color, or select this one fill color and you can select more color option. This one I select and see this one and see this, and this way you can add different fill color to different checkboxes. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.